eggplant parmesan. I hope it come out good. I did it one time. This is my second time I'm gonna do it. You know? So let me show you guys what I have. I got some Parmesan cheese, mozzarella. I'm using this tomato sauce. I got this one too from Publix. I chopped up some onions, garlic, scallion, because you know these things don't taste so wonderful. So I'm gonna spice it up, and I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese. So let's get started. Here is the food. These are the eggplant. They're not even. There's my little bacon there. I got, what is it now? Breadcrumbs, eggs, and flour. Now we're gonna fry it up. I have this pot here to do my sauce. So let's do this. Oh my god, I want to turn down the stove because I don't want it to burn. So let's fry them up. So guys, this is what it looked like. But what I did was I tried to fry some without nothing on it, and look at that. It's breaking apart. But we're gonna use it, so let's start this thing. So I spiced up my little sauce, you know. So I'm putting some sauce on the bottom. Oh my goodness, that's how it look. Damn, it's so. I don't want to roll this up. So this is how it looks. And I have the oven at, can't even see it because I just turned on 375. And I'm gonna put it in. And see, say something. What happened? Not feel good? Cece not feeling good? No? No? Open at 400 degree, and we're gonna let it stay for like 35 to 40 minutes in there. So now it's time to do my macaroni and cheese. I measure it. I'm only doing 1 cup because I don't want to make a lot. So I'm gonna see how much this could do. So let it cook. So let's do this mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Whoops. Got about 2 tablespoon of what's this? Butter. I only have almond milk in the fridge, so I'm gonna use it. I'm telling you, I'm using whatever I see. I got some mustard powder, some salt, and we're gonna be using some flour to taste.
Mommy,
yeah?
We don't have no timer or anything, or we can't do it.
What timer?
Because you said we're gonna walk.
Oh, because it's raining. We're not gonna walk. It's raining.
Yeah, I never see.
So So the Parmesan eggplant is finished. So with the macaroni and cheese, I'm just sprinkling a little breadcrumbs on top. So it's ready, and I'm gonna let it cool a bit because I don't want my mouth to be burning off. So this is what it looked like. That's what it looked like. I'm gonna let my mom taste it because you know you gotta get someone else. You gotta get someone else approval to see if you pass the test. But it's good. It's good. I didn't do bad. It's pretty good. Then the eggplant. Let's taste. This is hot. Yes, it's, oh my god, it's good, guys. You guys should try this. It's hella good. Mmm. 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 So in the sauce, I'd have to put some sugar in there, some tomato, seasoning, spice up the sauce, and look at those sauce just like, oh. So guys, you gotta spice up. So I'm gonna let my mom taste this and she give her approval. But you know, guys, how it is. How you like it? How is it?
All right.
Just all right.
It tastes good. I like it.
Oh my god. My mom is camera shy, so see with her. But guys, I see you in my next video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're not a part of the Niecey team. All right, guys, and have a blessed night.